Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. So I hope you all are well. Today I'm using this new mold and I am really excited to use it and see how the outcome is. So let's start. First of all, I am pouring my resin into the mold and just a simple plain thin layer of resin. There is no color added to this. So I have mixed my white color and it's actually not really opaque white, it's on the transparent side. So I used white pigment paste here by just resin, and now I will be pouring a thin layer on the outer edges. And here I have taken this peach epoxy pigment and it's again by just resin. So actually I'm trying the effect that I tried before and I will link it above here, the one I'm talking about, to see that if I get it again. And now I will be adding the plain resin into the center just to fill it up. So as now it's been filled, now I will be adding a gold foil into the center. So this is really up to you, whatever you like to add here, beads, gold foil. There are a lot of options these days. So just trying to make it pretty. And now the fun part comes here. I am adding this alcohol ink. It's by Rangers. So I really love how the alcohol ink plays such an amazing role and create textures. So I really hope I get some. So that's it. And now I will let it to cure. So see you next day. So this is the next day and I am so ready to remold. The back is always so pretty, but I am a bit afraid. Let's see on what the other happens. Side. I'm really excited to see the edges here. And now you will see a big mishap happen here. And as I was demolding it, you can see the resin is still uncured. Yeah, disasters do happen here. So at first I thought that it might be undermixed or something happened, but my workshop was a bit very cold because it's really cold in England these days. So yeah, that was the reason that it didn't got cured. So I used a heat gun to clear up all the mess, and then eventually after days it dried up completely and I top coated it. And so here is the final result and I'm so happy that I got a beautiful coaster here and you can see the textures, the web effect that has been made. So I was really happy to achieve it again, but because usually when you get a effect, it's very difficult that you get it again. But this time I think I had got the recipe and I'm really happy about it. And if you can see the edges, they are so beautiful and these colors amazing. So yeah, so here is a bit of disaster that I showed you here that happened. So it can happen to anyone, but no one can ever tell that this coaster had a very bad face when it was demolded because the top layer is so neat and after it's been top coated. So I hope you like it and just wanted to show you my mistake and disaster I had, but in the end it's lovely. So yeah, like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so. So take good care of yourself. Bye bye.